Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use ChatGPT to rewrite cover letters. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use ChatGPT for cover letters, all you gotta do is simply tap open your ChatGPT. Once you are in your ChatGPT, you need to simply go and tap it on. So to use ChatGPT for rewriting your cover letters, you need to provide a detailed prompt including the job description and your resume. So as I'm writing here, as I've given a prompt, I'm sending it. So once you give them a detailed prompt, including your JD and your resume, and ask them to draft that aligns your skills with the role, you can simply get ChatGPT to write you a cover letter. Now, after receiving the initial text, you can even personalize it, edit it to ensure the accuracy. So if you don't like this cover letter, you can simply prompt them to rewrite it again in a personal tone or like any of the tones you like. So you can simply let them rewrite it or let ChatGPT rewrite it as per your accordance. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.